Watching YouTube channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to see how a quadratic equation can be solved with the help of quadratic formula. Let's go for our solution. The given quadratic equation is x squared minus 81 is equal to 0. As you can notice here, we don't have any x value. So in that case, if we don't have a value of x or x squared, we can assume the coefficient of that x or x square as 0, or we can write it like this just to compare it with the general form of the quadratic equation. Okay, we will compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, which is like this. So when we are comparing these two equations, we see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 81. A is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 81. Let us substitute these values into quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. b is 0 in this case. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 81 over 2 into 1. Minus 0 is nothing, 0, so we will leave it as it is. We are left with plus minus 0 minus 324 plus 324 actually, because there are two minus into minus will be positive, over 2. So square root of 324 over 2. Square root of 324 is 18 over 2 is equal to plus minus 9. So in this case x is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 9. So our solution set in this case is 9 and minus 9. That's it. This brings us to an end of this video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye bye.